Hey everyone, this is Joe once again and welcome to another episode of Motor Gadget. In today's video, pag-uusapan naman natin yung quick release mount ng ating action camera. Alright, so if you guys have Ace Pro or Ace Pro 2 action camera, alam naman natin na itong action camera natin ay quick release mount na. And it's very convenient if you have multiple quick release mounts na extra when you have this action camera, kasi that way you can transfer this from one place to another. Pag bumili ka ng ganito, isa lang na quick release mount ang marireceive mo on the box from Insta360. Lalo na kapag meron kang isa lang yung action camera mo and you want multiple angles, it's very convenient kung marami ka nga nitong mounts na to or quick release mounts na to. Kaya nga bumili tayo ng another one para mabilis nating mailipat-lipat yung ating action camera from one place to another. Kasi ang ginawa natin, yung original na galing sa Insta360 na mount that comes with this camera, nilagay na lang natin yon fix sa ating helmet. So if I am riding and I wanted to have another perspective or another angle, I can quickly just remove it from my helmet and then put it on another place where andun nakalagay yung ating quick release mount. So binili nga natin itong quick release mount na ito. Ito ang brand niya is V-Rig. Ito kasi yung medyo maganda yung price niya, ang value niya for its feature. Itong quick release mount na to, meron na siyang butas sa ilalim dito para ilagay mo siya sa mga ganitong klaseng mounts. So pwede mo siyang iikot. At meron din siyang yung traditional na GoPro style na mount na fold dito na magnetic. So kapag hindi gamit, naka-fix lang siyang ganyan. And then, pwede mo siya ilagay sa mga gaya nitong klaseng mount. I-unscrew mo, tapos ilalagay mo, which is, of course, sobrang hassle and medyo matagal yung process na yon. However, there is an issue with this specific quick release mount that we have discovered, and that is parang meron siyang flaw on his design. Okay, so ilalagay ko siya dito sa ating handheld tripod. Kunwari mag-vlog tayo and all that. So ilalagay ko siya dito. And for some reason, yung base niya, kasi medyo malaki, pagka na-occupy niya yung almost lahat ng base ng mount na ito, merong siyang flaw na kapag nape-press siya dito, hindi siya nasi-secure yung ating action camera. So let me go ahead and show that to you. So ayan, nakalagay na siya dito sa ating handheld tripod. So for example, ilalagay ko siya dito. It should be fixed. However, if gagalituhin ko siya, makikita nyo na naaangat ko siya dito on the side kasi hindi siya nakalock dito sa side na to. And worst case scenario is pwede ko siyang matanggal. Diba? Pwede kayong malaglagan ng action camera, which will cost you a lot to replace or have this fix. And yun ang kailangan natin or iniiwasan nating mangyari. Now, I am going to put this on my selfie stick or invisible stick dito. So if you notice, hindi niya na-occupy yung buong base niya. And when it's like that, okay siya. Maganda ang pagkakamount niya, magiging fix siya. So let me go ahead and show that to you. Yun, pagka ganyan, magnetic, sobrang bilis lang. And hindi mo na talaga siya matatanggal. Kahit nagawin ko yung ginawa ko kanina, ititip ko lang siya sa isang side, pipilitin ko, hindi mo talaga siya matatanggal unless pindutin mo yung pang quick release niya dito. So yeah, that is what I have discovered recently, which I wanted to share to everyone para maging aware kayo at makatulong at maiwasan na malaglagay kayo ng action camera. I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Once again, this is Joel. If you are interested in motorcycle related contents, travel and gadgets, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you again on the next one.